Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mathematical Appetite. And as we are looking the second PUC model papers of Karnataka board. So in the last video we discussed about the 1 mark questions model paper 1, and today we will be discussing about the 2 marks questions model paper 1 released by state board, Karnataka state PU board, and we will be discussing that. I hope you are liking and enjoying the videos. Yes, of course, it is very useful for the Karnataka PU board students, and I am solving this. And anyway, the people who are new to my channel, hi, this is Chiranjeevi. I am a maths teacher. So today we are going to see the model paper 1 with respect to the PUC, second PUC board mathematics. So already I have discussed 1 mark model paper 1, and today we will be discussing the 2 marks of model paper 1. So that is part B. So the 11th question here, they are telling that, let star be a binary operation. They are telling that this is a binary operation. Okay, so let star be a binary operation on a Q. It is defined on Q. Okay, by how it is defined, how a binary operation is defined. It is defined A star B is nothing but AB by 2. This is how the binary operation is defined, A by 2. So we need to show that star is associative. We need to show that. So this binary operation star is associative. So we need to show that this operation on Q, it is on Q. So A star B is equal to A by 2. It is given. The operation is A by 2. Okay. Yes, it's very simple. So you know associative property. What is associative property? If we take 3 variables, then obviously if you interchange the brackets, you will be getting the same answer. The equality sign satisfies, right, with respect to associative law. Yes, we'll see with respect to binary operation how to take. First, the given operation is A star B is nothing but AB by 2. Okay, for all A comma B belongs to Q. It is defined on Q. Be careful, it is defining on Q. So here, if you take associative law, you can take for all A comma B comma C belongs to Q. We are taking some variable C which is also belonging to Q, such that now what happens to A star B, we'll see. Okay, so before taking that, let me take A star B star C, that is nothing but A star B star C. See here, I will interchange the brackets. So here we have A star, for B star C I have put bracket, here for A star B I have put bracket. Let us see if this 2 satisfies, then we are going to tell that associative law satisfies this 2 mark question. So be careful. First let us take A star B star C is equal to, we have A star. Okay, what is B star C? If A star B is equal to AB by 2, then B star C will be BC by 2, isn't it? So the binary operation they are defining like this, right? A star B, where star is the binary operation, A star B is nothing but AB by 2. So then B star C, it is also belonging to Q, right? So B star C is nothing but BC by 2. So now this is equal to, now I will be considering this as one entity. Now since A star B is AB by 2, we can take this as A star BC by 2 as A into BC by 2 by 2. Okay, same binary operation I am operating here. So A star B, AB by 2, right? Similarly here I am considering this binary operation because this operation is indicating that whatever the variables we have, it is multiplied and divided by 2. Similarly here we have 2 entities here. I am going to multiply, divide by 2. So this is going to become A into B into C is ABC by 4 will be getting this, right? So this is LHS. Let us see RHS, that is A star B star C. For A star B, I have put bracket. So that is equal to A star B is nothing but, already we know, right? What is it? It is AB by 2 star C. Now this one I am going to consider it as one entity, that is nothing but, we know that A star B is AB by 2. So similarly we will be getting AB by 2 into C by 2. Understanding? So that is nothing but, we will be getting ABC by 4. See, LHS is equal to RHS, isn't it? This is equal to this. So therefore what you are going to write? Associative law is satisfied. Hence binary operation star is under associative for A star B is equal to AB by 2. Okay, so this is 2 mark problem. They have just defined a binary operation A star B is equal to AB by 2. We have taken, we need to prove that star is this binary operation star is associative. So we have taken that, we have taken the variable C which also belongs to Q, and just we verified the associative law. So this way we can solve. It is 2 mark questions. For 2 mark questions you will be getting this. Understood? Yes. So let me go for the next problem. So the next problem is, we have 2 marks. Find the principal value of cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. They are asking us to find the principal value. How to find it? Let me take first y is equal to cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Then what happens? If you take cot this side, it's going to become cot y is nothing but minus 1 by root 3, isn't it? So for cot y is equal to minus 1 by root 3, if you take, so what's going to happen? We have cot y is equal to minus cot of, it is pi by 3, isn't it? So cot pi by 3 will be getting 1 by root 3. So minus cot pi by 3 for minus 1 by root 3. Hope you are understanding. So now if you see here, what's going to happen here? So that is cot y is nothing but, if I take cot, the plus cot, what is going to happen? Pi minus pi by 3, isn't it? Understanding? Yes, just I am taking the trigonometric, the standard formula with respect to inverse functions or the cot function. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so that is nothing but, we have cot of, so 3 pi minus pi by 3. So that is equal to cot of 2 pi by 3, right? Okay, so it is cot of 2 pi by 3. So here the cot y is equal to cot of 2 pi by 3. And also we know the range of principal value of cot inverse as 0 to pi, isn't it? It is 0 to pi. So that by just observing this, we can write it as the principal value is nothing but 2 pi by 3 for cot inverse of minus 1 by root 3. So this is the answer we have. I hope you are understanding. Let us go for the next problem and see. Now the next question is, we have find the area of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2 and minus 1 comma minus using determinants. So we need to find it using determinants. We all know. So the area of the triangle in the determinant, it is given by 1 by 2 into the determinant. What we have x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. If you solve this, okay, so you will be getting the area of the triangle using determinants. So this is the formula we have. The area of triangle is nothing but 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. Okay, so what is the formula? Sorry, what is x1 y1? Here we have, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, and this is x3 and this is y3. So what it happens, we'll take 1 by 2 into, so x1 is minus 2, y1 is minus 3 and 1. So x2 is nothing but 3, y2 is nothing but 2 and it is 1, x3 is nothing but minus 1, y3 is nothing but minus 8 and 1. Now we are going to solve this, determine how to solve this. First I am going to consider this, the first element of the first row and the first column in the first row, that is minus 2. Already we have 1 by 2 here. Okay, so minus 2 into, now I have considered this. Now I will be omitting the complete first row and first column. I will be considering this section apart from this and I will be cross multiplying and writing here. So 2 into 1 is 2 minus, already I have minus here, so it will be getting plus 8 into 1 is 8. Okay, minus the second element. The second element of the first row, whenever you take, right, in the determinant you should take it as minus. So minus 3 into, now I am going to leave this and I am going to consider this. So 3 into 1 is 3. Minus of minus 1 becomes plus, so 1 into 1 is 1. Plus 1 into, I am going to omit this, I am going to take this, so 3 8s are 24 plus 2, right? So this one will be getting, so that is nothing but 1 by 2 into, so 8 plus 2 is 10 into 2 minus 20. This is going to become plus, minus into minus plus. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 3s are 12 plus, so we will be getting minus 22. So directly you can write it as minus 22. I hope you are understanding. Yes, so that is nothing but 1 by 2 into, what is minus 20 and plus 12. So we will be getting minus 8, right? Minus 20 plus 12 is minus 8 and minus 22. So that is nothing but 1 by 2 into minus 30. So 2 1s are 2, 15s are 30. We will be getting minus 15, but we will be writing 15 because area cannot be negative, right? So 15 square units is the area of this triangle. What is this? Minus 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 2, minus 1 comma minus 8. Using determinants we have found this. I hope you are understanding. So this is the way of solving the area of the triangle. What is given by using determinant, that is area of triangle is equal to half into the determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. The next problem they have given it as, find dy by dx if y is equal to cos of log x plus e to the power of x where x is greater than 0. So we are going to differentiate it. So by observing this function we come to know that we need to use chain rule, right? We are going to use chain rule. So what is going to happen here? So I am going to do dy by dx, that is nothing but, what is the derivative of cos x? Cos x dy by dx of cos x is nothing but minus sin x, isn't it? So this is going to become minus sin of log x plus e to the power of x into d by dx of log x plus e to the power of x. Understanding? So I am going to take minus sine log x plus e to the power of x. Again I am going to differentiate this because of chain rule. So whenever we apply chain rule, we should know for what type of functions we are going to apply chain rule, product rule, quotient rule, etc. So here cos of log x plus e to the power of x, this we have. If at all we had some power, we are going to deal with power first, then step by step, and finally to the x. So here for cos I have differentiated. Again for this function I am going to differentiate. So what it's going to become? It's going to become minus sine of log x plus e to the power of x into the derivative of log x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x plus the derivative of e to the power of x, it is e to the power of x. Right? So we can arrange it in a proper way. 1 by x plus e to the power of x into sine of log x plus e to the power of x. So this is the answer. When we differentiate this, we will be getting this. This is for 2 marks. They have asked in the model paper 1. Okay. The next question, they are asking us to find dy by dx if sine square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Okay. So we are going to differentiate this. What? First of all, we need to consider this as, okay, first let us consider this, whatever they have given, that is sine square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Now differentiating this, what will be happening? So that implies we will be getting d by dx of sine square x, right, plus d by dx of cos square y, that is equal to d by dx of 1. Right? We are going to differentiate this side. So sine square separately we are differentiating. So that is equal to, so what is the derivative of sine x? Let me write here. We will be getting 2 sine x because d by dx of x to the power of n is equal to nx to the power of n minus 1. Right? We know this, right? So similarly here we will be getting for sine square x, what is going to happen? 2 sine x into differentiation of sine x, so we will be getting cos x plus 2 cos y into differentiation of cos y, we will be getting minus sine y into dy by dx. Why I am writing dy by dx here? Because we are differentiating with respect to x. Whenever we see the y term, right? Whenever we are going to differentiate y, whenever the whole differentiation we are going to do with respect to x, then we need to write dy by dx. That is equal to d by dx, the derivative of constant term 1, that is 0. Okay. So now I can write this as 2 sin x cos x minus 2 sin y cos y dy by dx, that is equal to 0. So I am going to keep this dy by dx as it is. So 2 sin y cos y dy by dx, that is equal to, I am going to send this that side, so it is going to become 2 sin x cos x. We know from the trigonometric formula what is going to happen. So if you take, yes, sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x, isn't it? So sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. So similarly I will be writing here, we have minus 2 sin 2x dy by dx, that is equal to minus 2, same thing I will be applying sin 2y. Okay, same formula I will be applying it for minus 2 sin x cos x. Sorry, so here it is y, right? It is 2y and this is x. So that implies what is going to happen, we will be getting dy by dx is nothing but minus 2 sin 2x by this one I will be getting down here we'll be getting minus 2 sine 2y. So minus 2 gets cancelled. So therefore we got dy by dx is nothing but sine 2x by sine 2y. Okay, so this is the derivative. We got dy by dx. Whenever they give sine square x plus cos square y is equal to 1, we will be getting this. I hope you understood. Yes, we will go for the next problem. So if y is equal to x cube plus tan x, we need to find dy by dx. Let us find this. Just differentiate. Y is nothing but dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of x cube plus d by dx of tan x. Right? So that is nothing but x to the power of n. What will be getting? We will be getting 3x to the power of 2. We will be applying the derivative of x to the power of n. So plus for d by dx, what is tan x? What is d by dx of tan x? That is nothing but secant square x. So we will be writing here the derivative of tan x is secant square x. So the question is, I think so, it is to find d square y by dx square. Yes, so we need to find d square y by dx square. So it's not d, okay. The second derivative we need to find out. So while finding the second derivative, just to differentiate dy by dx again. Y is equal to x cube plus tan x we have. When we differentiate it, we got 3x square plus secant square x. So when differentiate this again, then we'll be getting d square y by dx square. That is equal to, again differentiate, we'll be getting 6x, because x to the power of n will be substituting, plus chain rule 2 into secant x into d by dx of secant x. So that is nothing but 6x plus 2 secant x. What is the derivative of secant x? D by dx of secant x. Okay, that is secant x into tan x. Isn't it? That is the derivative of secant x, right? So instead of this, I'm differentiating secant x. So you will be getting secant x into tan x. So that is nothing but 6x plus 2 secant we have, secant square x into tan x. So this is d square y by dx square for the function y is equal to x cube plus tan x. So this is the second derivative, d square y by dx square. If we again differentiate this, you will be getting d cube y by dx cube, and so on. Okay, so this is one of the problem. Okay, so next question we have, find the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x and x is equal to 2. So slope of the tangent is nothing but dy by dx, isn't it? So we'll directly take, differentiate this. If you find dy by dx, what's going to happen? We'll be getting d by dx of x cube minus d by dx of x, right? This function I'm going to differentiate. So we'll be getting d by dx of x cube is nothing but 3x square minus d by dx of x is nothing but 1, isn't it? So 3x square, I'm using x to the power of n form. So 3x square minus 1. But they're asking at x is equal to 2. So what's going to happen? Dy by dx at x is equal to 2 is nothing but, just substitute the 2 in the place of x. So you will be getting 3 into 2 square minus 1. So that is nothing but 3 into 4 minus 1. So 2 square is 4. So that is nothing but 12 minus 1. That is nothing but 11. So hence 11 is the slope of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus x at x is equal to 2. This is the answer. I hope you are enjoying it. Yes, I hope you enjoyed this, you learned the concepts. Anyway, I'll be doing other mathematical videos also. We'll soon have many beautiful concepts, okay, so that it helps you. Thank you. If you like this video, like it, share it and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It motivates me and I'll come up with more beautiful and more great mathematical videos for you people. Thank you. Have a great day.